Today we're making honey cookies. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's recipe is a really easy recipe, and with Valentine's Day happening, this is one of those recipes that you can make for your honey. It's so simple to make, and we're going to start this off really easy with our 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll notice that all of the ingredients are flashing down there below, and it's also listed in the description. Let's give this a mix. Then we'll set that aside. Now let's start with our other ingredients. You can use shortening. I like to use butter. So I have 1 cup of butter. Yes, I went out and bought butter today. And I'm going to add my honey. That is 1 cup of honey. We're going to set this on low. Let it do its thing. While it's going, we're going to add 1 pinch of sea salt, or if you're using regular table salt, use 1 teaspoon of table salt. While that's going, I'm going to add my vanilla. We'll give this a nice good scrape. It reminds me of bananas, mashed bananas. I'm going to add my egg, reduce the speed to low, then we're going to slowly add our flour. Once you have your dough together, make sure to scrape it off the beater, get that out of our way. Then drop this by the scoopful onto our pan. These will spread. Give them plenty of room. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for about 7 to 10 minutes until they're just slightly golden brown, and I mean very slightly. Then we're going to let them cool. Once the cookies have cooled, they are so wonderful. Let's give them a taste. They are soft and cake-like, and the sweet taste of honey. It's not overwhelming. You do have to let these cool before you take them off the pan, because if you don't, they just fall apart. But I think you're going to love these cake-like, wonderful honey cookies for your sweetheart. If you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.